So hello guys, welcome back. And so in the previous video, I made some silly mistakes. So without wasting your time, I'm just showing you what kind of mistakes I done. Because I forgot some of the basic programming. Okay, because I haven't touched Unity for like 3 or 4 months. So don't worry. Like when you go here, so this was the mistake. Like I was missing this column here, these four columns because I was practicing on it's some other programming language and it is didn't show mirror in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. So forget about it. So this is the code, and it didn't give me any error. So Control plus S to save it. So now we have actually saved this. Okay. So cube plane. So when you just press the play button, so you can see um, while praying the button. So in the scene tab, you can't see anything, but you can see here that is tiny object that is actually moving. Okay, so we have to just fix the camera in order to see the like this moving object. Okay, so go to the main camera. Okay, so now let's right click. So let us check where is our cube. Okay, yeah, it's difficult. We have such a mouse over here, so let's just drag our camera to that place. Okay, so use the mouse button. Okay, so use the mouse button. So let's go here. So I have like fixed the camera at a very far place. Let's just drag it down here so we can actually see everything. So I can't see everything. Okay, can't see anything. So let's just move it forward. Can we see now? No, we still can't. Okay, just left click. Okay, that's the problem here. Okay, oh, we'll fix its position. Okay, the problem is with not with the camera but with my mouse, which I'm actually using. So let us check where is our cube and where is it, this thing of the main camera. Okay, okay, now still think. Okay, so we can see now. Okay, you can see in the main camera. So now you can actually see. So let's just use the move tool in order to just focus on the cube. Okay, now in this game tab, you can see, actually you can see now in the scene, what you have to do is you double click on the plane. So I want to just increase its length, so you can increase by just dragging like this. So we have made a very big plane of ourselves. We have just increased that the length. We have expanded the plane into like Z axis. So now let's just play to see the changes. Okay, so we have actually played button, so you can see. So S, you can see our cube has actually moved. So I think there's a problem with, I believe. Okay, so you can actually see when you just press W, it has moved quite a bit. You can't actually see because it's moving away. Okay, so okay, so you can see actually this is like this. Okay, now double click on the plane to actually just enlarge it more. Now I'm going to click W. Okay, now S, nothing happens. A, so WASD, these controls are actually, I haven't like, there's a mistake in some controls that I've actually set up. So Don't worry, it will be all right. So in the main camera, what we are going to do is just rotate this camera, okay, so we can actually see. I will fix all the part, okay, regarding that, like input controls. So when you actually play, then press W, so it will definitely move. Okay. You can see this, that it had moved. Okay, so again, fix this part. Okay, okay, wait. Press W to move. So you can see now. It's definitely moving in very far direction. Okay. So you can see now it is coming back. So WSD controls are working fine. That's the difficulty with the camera. So in this lesson you have seen how to control this, like moving of the object, okay. So there's some problem with my mouse. I will fix it in the later lectures, okay, so don't worry. Until then, goodbye.